Shopping for a mobility scooter can be really difficult, especially for an indoor one. Today's video is all about choosing the right mobility scooter for indoor use. The model I'm using in this video, and the one I personally recommend above all other models for navigating tight indoor spaces, is the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum by Pride Mobility. Why? Simple. It's got a superior turning radius that beats even most three-wheel scooters, yet it gives you the stability and confidence of a four-wheel design. That combo is rare, and it makes this model perfect for apartments, homes with narrow hallways, or anyone who wants smooth control inside the house. The best part is it's one of the most affordable options out there when you consider all of the features it includes.
To top it all off, it's made in the USA.
Now, I'm not going to go over full specs. Stick around to the end of the video, and I will show you the full specification list of the scooter. Somewhere along the way, you're also going to see a hidden message on the screen with a secret discount code just for our YouTube viewers. So pay attention and see if you can spot that message. Now let's start with the basics. What do you actually need in a scooter that's going to be used primarily indoors? Number one, it's the turning ability, known as the turning radius. This is probably the biggest factor. You need to be able to make sharp turns in hallways, around furniture, and through doorways. A small turning radius equals better maneuverability. The GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum has a 37-inch turning radius. Another important factor is the size of the frame. The overall length of this model is 39.37 inches. The smaller the frame, the better it's going to perform in tight corners and tight spaces. Something else you definitely want to take advantage of is a mobility scooter with scuff-free tires. You don't want to make marks on your tile or your laminate or hardwood floor, so make sure you're getting non-marking tires like any of the Pride mobility scooters. They all have scuff-free tires.
By the way, folks, if you want to learn more about this product, make sure you claim a copy of our free product catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. To claim a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also call the number below, speak with our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address to process a catalog request by phone. Keep in mind, we're not just an online store. We have several brick and mortar locations. Come on by so you can test drive one of these bad boys in person.
Now, one thing that's often overlooked and is also super important is your speed setting or your speed controls. You should always keep your speed dial at the lowest setting when taking tight turns indoors. If you're going too fast, you could accidentally scuff walls or baseboards, or even worse, you could pinch your arm or fingers between the wall and the armrests. And trust me, that hurts. Most mobility scooters come equipped with a speed control knob or a speed control switch, which basically limits the top speed. I recommend turning it down close to the lowest possible speed setting until you're comfortable enough navigating your home environment.
Another feature that's really important to have is the rotating seat and flip-up armrests. A lot of people overlook this, but I think it's extremely helpful, especially when transferring in and out of your scooter. Whether you're getting out of your scooter and into bed or on a couch, you want to make that process easy, and I believe having the rotating seat feature with the flip-up armrests is going to make a world of difference.
Now let's talk about why I recommend the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum. We talked about it before. The price point is very fair. Coming in at $1549, it is loaded with all of the bells and whistles you could possibly ask for, and again, I will go over the specs at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Now, this model is built for indoor maneuverability, but unlike most compact scooters, it's a four-wheeler, so you get the added stability. What makes it extra special is that it actually has a tighter turning radius than most three-wheel scooters, which is super rare for a four-wheel base. You also get feather touch disassembly and non-marking tires, and a slim frame that fits in most doorways with no issues. It's sleek, stable, and it just works. It comes with an industry-leading warranty, and it even includes a 1-year in-home repair contract for free. So if something does go wrong, as long as it's a warranty-approved claim, a technician's coming to your home to replace the parts. You don't have to go anywhere. Something I recommend doing before purchasing a mobility scooter is measure your doorways and your turning spaces to make sure that the turning radius and the size of the scooter is going to work for your home environment. You also want to make sure you know your flooring. This model works great on hard floor and low pile Carpet, even though the scooter is ideal for indoors, it's also super lightweight and breaks down quickly, so you can toss it in the trunk of your car and bring it along to a friend's house, a family gathering, or even a cruise or vacation that requires airline travel. This scooter comes with TSA approved batteries and cruise friendly batteries as well. All right, so let's talk about the specs real quick. I'm going to put the specification list on the screen and you can feel free to pause at any time, but let's just go over a couple of the specs real quick. This is an FDA approved class 2 medical device. It can travel up to 8.8 miles with the standard batteries or 13.8 miles with the upgraded battery. Again, it does break down into 5 lightweight pieces. The heaviest piece will be 39 pounds, and it can support up to 300 pounds. It has a 3.15-inch ground clearance and a 6-degree incline rating. Now, feel free to pause or go back to this list at any time if you want to review all of the specs. You can also visit our website. It's going to have all of the specifications, warranty details, return policy information, customizable options, and a lot more. You're going to be able to see pictures of every color option, pricing, reviews, and if you have any questions, you can chat with us on our live chat feature of our website, or you could just leave a comment below. We respond to every comment within 1 business day. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe so you can get notified when we release new videos just like this one. By the way, by subscribing and leaving a comment on any video, you're automatically entered into our giveaway raffle. We give away mobility scooters all the time to random people who subscribe and comment. You're already here, so what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and you could be the next lucky winner of our giveaway. Speaking of which, part of every sale goes towards funding our community donation program. We find people that are in need of mobility devices but that can't afford them, and we donate them a mobility scooter or a power wheelchair all the time. So if you want to be part of that movement, shop at Mobility Direct. Tell someone you know who needs a mobility scooter about Mobility Direct. Share this video on your Facebook. Together, we can make a difference. 1 mobility device at a time. Well, folks, that's going to wrap up the video. Again, if you're looking for the best mobility scooter for indoor use, one that gives you the maneuverability of a 3-wheel scooter and the stability of a 4-wheel model, the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum is hands down my top pick. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. We love helping people make smart mobility choices. I hope this video has given you the education and confidence you need to select your indoor mobility scooter. We'd love to earn your business. We offer tax-free sales, free shipping, nationwide, and we offer promotional discounts all the time. So reach out to one of our non-commissioned sales experts. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks for watching, and as always, your ride to independence starts right here with Mobility Direct. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.